Hello and namaste my dear friends, welcome to another episode of A Plateful of Joy. Friends, today I am going to show you an instant breakfast item, instant poha. A hot savory breakfast is a must in my house. Many times you wake up in the morning and feel like breakfast should manifest itself. It doesn't happen that way. But this breakfast item can be put together in less than 5 minutes. Instant poha is perfect for all the lazy days when you don't feel like cooking, or sick days, or when you don't have the facilities to cook, like when you're traveling or hiking, or when you just want a quick snack. So without further delay, let's get started.
For this recipe, we will be using regular thick poha. Friends, today I will be making approximately half a kg or a pound of poha. Heat oil in a large wok and then add mustard seeds. It takes a while for the mustard seeds to pop and infuse their flavor into the oil, whereas cumin seeds brown really fast, and therefore cumin always comes after the mustard seeds pop. Next, I'll be adding raw peanuts, and this will be followed by slit green chilies. Now, I like my poha a little spicy, and remember, we are making this for a pound of poha. You can reduce the quantity if you cannot tolerate heat. Now, I'll be adding curry leaves or curry patta. I will be frying this mixture on a medium-low heat for some time till it becomes crispy. The idea is that there should be no moisture remaining in any of the ingredients. That way you can stir this mixture for a long period of time. Now I'll be adding chopped coriander to this mixture. Coriander imparts a very nice flavor, but it can burn very easily, and therefore I'll be adding it halfway through the frying process. Now our mixture is almost ready. Time to add asafoetida or hing, followed by turmeric or haldi. Now our masala or tadka is almost ready. Time to add the poha or chipped rice as we call it. Here we go. This is almost 4 cups or a pound of poha. At this point, you can turn off the heat and mix the poha really well. All the poha should be well coated with the masala and look like this. Time to add the salt. Now I have given the measurements for salt in the description box, but you can adjust to your taste preferences. And now I'll be adding some sugar. Sugar rounds off the flavors very beautifully, and I wouldn't miss it for sure. But if you want, you can omit it. Mix well and your instant poha mixture is ready. Let it cool completely before you store it in an airtight container. Just like chuda, this mixture can be stored for a month or more. Now let's assemble a 5-minute instant poha. Take the required quantity of poha in a bowl and pour hot water in it. The water should be just enough to cover the surface of the poha. If you prefer exact measurements, a cup of poha would need around 60 ml of water. Close the lid and let it stand for 4 to 5 minutes. And 5 minutes are done and our poha is ready. Preservative-free, homemade, hot, delicious and instant breakfast. Life is good. Add some fresh coriander if you have, or enjoy as is.
Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do try it and let me know how you like it. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. A Plateful of Joy.